Have you ever wondered how much YouTubers earn? Well, the financial side of YouTube revolves primarily around its partner program. Once a channel reaches the milestone of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, it becomes eligible to earn a piece of the ad revenue pie. Now, how big is this piece, you ask? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, how much you actually make. Research indicates that channels can earn anywhere between $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. On average, you're looking at around $15.50. However, most channels only pocket around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. In order to make more money per 1,000 views, you can do a couple things. Now, RPM is how much you actually make per 1,000 views. And depending on the niche that you're in, some advertisers pay more money to put ads on videos than others. By choosing a high RPM niche, you can attract top-paying ads from big companies like Apple and Expedia. Now, isn't that something to think about? So what are these high CPM niches that can maximize your earnings? Let's dive in. CPM refers to cost per meal, that is how much money an advertiser pays for every 1,000 times their ad is displayed. High CPM niches are categories where advertisers are willing to pay a premium to have their ads shown. These niches often involve topics that are complex, specialized, or have a high consumer spending potential. For example, finance and technology videos attract top-paying ads from large corporations like Apple and Expedia. These companies understand that viewers of such content are often highly engaged and willing to invest in quality products or services. In the realm of finance, videos may cover topics from personal finance tips to in-depth stock market analysis. Technology videos, on the other hand, can range from gadget reviews to coding tutorials. Similarly, niches like health, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, DIY, and tutorials also fetch high CPM due to their specialized nature and consumer interest. But don't be disheartened if your passion lies outside these niches. Lower CPM niches such as pranks, scary videos, gaming, and top 10 lists can still generate high views. The key is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. For instance, a well-executed prank video or an intriguing list of movie facts can rack up millions of views, thus compensating for the lower CPM. Another strategy to boost your earnings is to create videos longer than 8 minutes and strategically place ad breaks. This increases the number of ads shown, thereby increasing your potential ad revenue. But remember, the value you provide to your viewers should always be your priority. Longer videos need to offer educational or entertaining content that keeps your audience hooked. So, whether you're explaining the intricacies of the stock market, sharing your latest makeup finds, or giving your audience a good laugh with a clever prank, the key is to deliver value. Remember, videos of any length and from any niche can go viral. It's all about resonating with your audience and providing them with content they love. And I suggest spacing out your ad breaks to ensure they don't disrupt the viewing experience too frequently. Now, let's add another layer to this strategy. Have you ever considered selling digital products alongside ads? This is a fantastic way to boost your earnings. For instance, this channel earns over $200 per 1,000 views by doing just that. Yes, you heard it right, $200 per 1,000 views. They sell digital products that resonate with their audience and complement their content. The beauty of digital products is that they can be anything from ebooks and online courses to music tracks and graphic designs. It's all about finding something that fits your brand and your viewers will find valuable. And the best part? Once created, these products can generate income for you passively, with each sale adding to your earnings without requiring additional work. Let's dive into some real-life examples of potential earnings on YouTube. To understand the financial landscape, we'll take a look at 3 channels: BazarBub, Dave Nick, and Tech Zone. Each of these has carved out a niche and has a unique level of engagement, which significantly impacts their earnings. First up, we have BazarBub. This channel caters to the scary niche, and it's doing quite well, racking up an impressive 7.5 million views per month. With an RPM, or revenue per 1,000 views, of $3, BazarBub has the potential to earn roughly $23,000 monthly. That's a pretty frightening amount of money, isn't it? Next, let's talk about Dave Nick. This channel swims in the finance niche, a high RPM area, and pulls in about 1 million views per month. With an RPM of $20, Dave Nick could be pocketing a cool $20,000 each month. It's clear that talking money can indeed make money. Lastly, we have Tech Zone, a channel that's all about technology. With a whopping 46 million views per month and an RPM of $10, 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 could be raking in almost $500,000 each month. Yes, you heard that right, $500,000. It's evident that tech enthusiasts are not just passionate but also plentiful. These examples illustrate how niches and engagement play a massive role in YouTube earnings. Bizarre Bub draws in viewers who crave a good scare, Dave Nick attracts those interested in finance, and 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 appeals to the tech-savvy crowd. Each channel has found its audience and caters to their interests, creating a steady flow of views and consequently ad revenue. The world of YouTube earnings is vast and diverse, and your success can depend largely on your niche and engagement. It's about finding what works for you, what you're passionate about, and how you can deliver value to your audience. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to work. You've seen the figures, you've understood the potential, and now it's time to act. The world of YouTube is vast and filled with opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. But remember, knowledge is power. The more you know and understand about the dynamics of YouTube and its niches, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its waters and reach your desired financial destination. And that's where our next video comes in. It's a deep dive into the 30 faceless niches for YouTube, filled with insights and tips designed to help you maximize your earnings potential. It's your next step on this exciting journey. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.